Guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to come on here real quick and apologize for this video. This isn't going to be the best and funniest video you've ever seen on my channel before. I really am not happy with it at all. After we got done filming it, I literally went to my room and cried like a little baby because I wasn't happy with how it turned out. And I don't know if you guys know, but I literally take my content with everything I do. I take everything I do so seriously, and if it doesn't come out to the quality that I wanted, I just am so like sad and disappointed in myself. And that's how I feel with this video, because it's just, we didn't know what to talk about, and just I was just so stressed about everything, and I was just not in a good mood and everything. Like I was trying to film all day, literally woke up at 10 a.m. to film, and we didn't even start filming until like 7 o'clock, and I was just sad because I had so much stuff to do and this video wasn't turning out right, and I was just getting so much anxiety. So I just want to say I'm sorry for not being myself in this video, and just for it not being the best quality that I wish it could have been. I know you guys are gonna say stop apologizing, whatever, but I just want to say I'm sorry, and I'm really disappointed in myself, and there'll be a new better video tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it more than I do, because I really don't want to post it, but I know you guys want to see some footage and some videos, so I'm gonna give it to you guys. So yeah. Hello!
I told you that's my good side.
Come here.
You gotta move though.
No.
This is my good side.
You have to be on this side.
I can't come here then. I'm moving.
I don't like this side.
So this this is hella tight. Can I get a little more lighting on my face?
Yeah, hold on.
I'm very completiated. I fell in love with a girl that I thought I knew. She did me so cold, she left my heart so blue. She do anything for some Jimmy Choo, with a Birkin bag and some designer shoes. This ain't a makeup song, this a breakup song. I don't want you no more, why you take so long? Used to want you so bad, and now
Luna, get it, please.
This is gonna be hella fun when we shoot this Mukbang or whatever. We gotta get hella wings.
Bro, sit up. It looks like I'm taller than you.
Okay, my fault. God damn.
I don't like this side of my face, bro.
Wow, I like this side of my face.
Okay, I know you do.
So how you feeling?
Good.
That's good. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Marmar. Okay. And we're finna do a Mukbang. That's how you say it, right?
Mukbang, mukbang, I don't know how you say it.
Mukbang. Yeah, we finna do one of those. But before we start, we gotta go get the food.
So we're gonna go to
Wingstop. Are we, when we go, are we like vlogging? Or?
That's what I'm saying. Do you want to vlog there? We can. Like ordering and stuff.
I don't know. I don't think we should. Should we?
I don't know. I don't care. Also, I think Heaven's gonna be in this too. You want Heaven to be in it?
Yeah, she can be in it.
Okay, well Heaven might be in it.
She gonna make it funny if anything.
Oh, so I'm not funny enough for you?
No. You are funny. I'm just, I'm just saying, Heaven is funny, like a funny individual herself.
So you don't want to vlog there?
You want to vlog there? I asked you that.
No, I'm asking you.
If I want to vlog, I really don't mind. I mean, we could just wait. We could go get the food and then come back. Okay.
Yeah, we're not gonna vlog. We're gonna come back. We're gonna have a lot of food right here that we're gonna eat. You know, I'm only gonna eat some French fries. See you in 2 seconds. Bye.
If you gotta pick, don't choose me. Hate a bitch that's choosy. Shit kinda confuse me. Why you so confusing? This how you gon' do me. Look at how you do me. That's how you lose. That's how you lose me.
Come on, get up!
I am conceited.
Alright guys, so we're back. Wingstop was closed because Thanksgiving is tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
So
we always come back with some Wingstop.
I know. But yeah, we don't have wings. We have roasted turkey breast. And Heaven's supposed to be here, but she just left and went to Chick-fil-A with my sister and her friends, so he wants to eat already, so he's gonna start.
I mean, I'm just gonna...
That ain't no motherfucking chicken breast. Did you even look at it before you got it?
Oh, it's a turkey breast.
Oh, it's turkey, not chicken. Wait, did you want turkey or chicken?
Either or. Let me see. I'm trying to see. It's not bad. But it ain't good.
So we're gonna have to make some food.
But it's not hella bad. I'm just trying to fill it out.
That's what it looks like, you guys. You're a horrible YouTuber.
I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know how to be a YouTuber. I'm learning. You gonna teach me?
Yeah. That looks so hot.
It's not good.
I don't think I'm gonna like it.
You're not.
I'm so picky.
I'm just hungry.
So what do you want to get? Hello? Well, can you guys get us food? Cause this is gross.
We'll try to make it in time. It's a long ass line, but it's closed at 10.
Okay.
If not, what do you want, like McDonald's or something?
Yeah, if you get McDonald's, can you get 2 McChickens, please? With cheese. You can't forget about McDonald's. McDonald's been there from the start.
Hello?
Her phone died. You ain't gotta be frustrated. You know she gonna answer. I can bet it. I promise you, Tyler's gonna answer. She looks like the type to answer. Watch this.
Ooh. So you can guys get us food?
Maybe.
So.
We're getting McDonald's. We're getting you McDonald's.
Okay. Can I get 2 McChickens with some cheese, please?
Just text me what you want.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. If you don't eat.
God damn.
Luna! Get your little.
I like that.
Thanks. What do you want? 2 McChickens?
Please.
That's all? That's all?
Small fries. And, Dr. Pepper.
What size?
Lord.
Well, this is a fail, guys.
That's not a fail. You just talked to me.
About what?
I didn't think you want to talk to me about.
Try a little bit. Take a bit.
You got your whole ass on. You're not fucking with it? I don't share my food, you guys, but...
Really? Why?
I hate sharing.
Why?
Because...
Why? Are you a germaphobe?
To an extent.
Luna, stop begging!
Can I give you some? Don't worry, I ain't gonna leave you hanging. Just come out. Go ahead. Okay.
I'll turn the camera off now.
Why are you gonna turn it off?
Because we're just sitting here and wasting battery in storage.
Good point. You know how to tell with anyone? Oh shit!
You have to sit in the middle, have someone sit on that side.
What I gotta say?
Aren't you gonna be in it?
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Oh, I already ate.
Well, you can be in there with us and talk. We just waited this whole time for you, Heaven, bro.
But you bought this.
I know, we could have got it ourselves.
That turkey was nasty as shit.
I said 6 chicken nuggets. These don't even look cooked. What? Heaven, bro, come on!
Cece.
What? We can't all fit, Heaven. I told you to get a chair.
Why we can't all fit?
My half-ass chicken's off the chair.
My half-ass chicken. That nigga's just too big. What am I supposed to do now?
Hey! That's his drink. Where's his drink?
In the car, probably. I'm not going to get it. You gotta go get it. Did you
Wait, we
bring
have to
in
get
the
the
drink
thumbnail.
or no? Wait, so what are we gonna be talking about, guys?
We're not really sure yet.
We're really gonna leave that up to heaven.
Can we talk about sex?
I'm not comfortable talking about sex.
Okay, fine.
Lower limit.
Wait, heaven, get lower.
I'm really gonna take a
for
sip.
for the beginning.
Okay. What the hell? You drink his drink?
Yep, I told you. I told you I was gonna take a sip. I don't have cooties or nothing. Sorry.
He doesn't like sharing his stuff for some reason.
Oh, really?
Hold on, I'm
Oh
gonna.
shit, my bad, bro.
I'm gonna raise it up a little bit.
I mean, you can put your straw in there.
No, it's okay, bro.
Alright, bro. Sorry, bro.
It's alright, bro.
No hard feelings?
I lost feelings.
Huh?
I lost feelings for you. Yes, it's that. Sorry, you don't fuck with him.
She doesn't even know what that is.
I know she don't fuck with him.
Who?
It's his song, bro.
How did you
Oh.
even know?
Sorry.
Alright, guys, we're here with the mukbang.
We're doing a mukbang today, okay?
Oh, sorry.
H baby in the motherfucking building, aka Playgirl, aka Heavy Marina.
Okay.
We got Marmar also in the motherfucking building. Come on, we gotta. And 1, 2, 3. No, you gotta do the little 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
And we got CC Spread Goosey.
Where are you
Say
doing
it,
that?
say it. You have to say, oh, holy frick, yeah. That's your trademark or something. And yeah, so today, guys, we're gonna be doing a couple's mukbang plus me.
A couple? A couple?
Okay, just kidding. We're just doing a mukbang with me in it, featuring Marmar.
We decided that we're gonna be best friends, right?
They decided that they were gonna be best friends because they were sucking each other's penises, and then. Just kidding. Okay, BFFs. What the fuck, nigga? Who the fuck do you think you are?
Wait, who are you? You're her best friend?
Yes,
How many of those does she have?
only me.
You said Julie was your best friend.
No, I said she was one of my best friends.
She is one of them, but I'm the
If
main
this
one.
counted as a chicken nugget, I'm gonna be so mad.
Did you hear what I
I'm
said?
trying to switch the subject like she don't got the best
That's okay.
Heaven is my only best friend.
Julie and Jamie are her other best friends, but I'm the realest one. And put that in the motherfucking video. I'm just kidding. I don't want to be mean. Love you guys.
So what you guys want to talk about?
You guys already started eating?
Yeah.
We didn't even know what topic we're going to talk about.
I mean on that McDonald's.
So the topic of today is, what do you guys think?
My sister and Kylie are right here, but they don't want to be in the video, so they're just sitting right there. You can see her jacket. They don't wanna
Kylie, show
be-
your hand.
Okay.
Sav. They can see her tongue. Savannah has a long tongue that's a long dick. Just kidding.
That is a little girl.
Okay, so what? She like little big dick. Just kidding. She said black boys only tap in. Okay, anyways.
What were you saying?
Look how cute they are together.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'll
shut
stop.
up.
Stop slouching.
What are we gonna talk about?
Bro, I have to stop because he's slouching and I look taller than him.
So why does it matter if you guys aren't a couple?
Look, y'all, I'm just trying to enjoy my food. Okay? We were supposed to be talking about different subjects, but this McDonald's is actually hidden, so that's just
My nuggets are cold.
What would you want to watch on YouTube?
Oh my god, bro. You got lettuce and mayonnaise on your cap.
What?
It's on your fingers too.
It's okay.
You got a blonde hair on there. So how do you feel about interracial dating?
Who you like is who you like, and who you love is who you love.
That's a
I
good
mean,
answer.
color don't have nothing to do with it. That's what I believe. Why you do that?
Well, this video so far sucks.
So what do you want to talk about?
Be funny, come on.
Ooh, she said, "Ooh, be funny, come on."
I just woke up.
Yeah, he fell
Well,
asleep.
how about this? Is that funny to everybody? We're to the side. Just call you Pablo. Sacramento sucks ass.
Hey. Kylie lives there. I live there.
What part?
At the school. Saxon.
She literally stayed like 5 minutes.
She from this.
Don't do that. That's the most
That's what your friend did, and I was just
My
copying
cousin,
him.
he just did that shit to just do it. Don't listen.
What is that?
It means I do nasty shit that nobody else know about.
How does this mean that?
Alright, so look. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Famous?
My sister said boring.
You think I'm gonna be boring in the next 5 years? Watch
No,
what
she said it's a boring question to ask.
Oh.
I didn't know what to ask like this.
Like, I feel like in the next 5 years, all of us are gonna be famous, all three of us.
What questions?
Like, we're down
That's a
there
different
almost
video.
kind of almost a little bit famous, but we're regular, but
I don't know about that.
we're not regular.
I don't consider myself famous.
Well, guess what? I'm not famous yet, but I'll act like it. I love looking at
sorry.
myself.
I'm just still a little tired. I'm waking up. So.
Alright, I'm not gonna
Well,
like
yeah, what the fuck? You need to fucking talk, my nigga.
This is like the first video they're gonna see after our whole big video that they just loved, and now you're just like,
I know that's because
So
I'm
boring.
making love.
You're already done with your mukbang because you already finished your fucking sandwich and you've been boring the whole time.
I got 2 sandwiches.
Oh.
Restart.
Okay, restart.
I don't think you should eat in the video.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a mukbang.
Okay, it's not a mukbang no more, but I'm eating in the video.
No, this is a mukbang, so what should we talk about? Because you guys should have told us what we should have figured out what we was going to talk about the whole time before.
She's not even talking.
Right.
What is you doing?
what?
What'd you do? Touch his wiener?
I licked my finger, the salt off it.
Make
If
sure
you
like
got
that,
a pig, don't
and then put it in your
you?
butthole.
Oh my goodness.
On my hair!
Oh my god, she just got him in the ass. You see how he jumped up like that?
Ooh. No! Okay, now she's trying to touch on my hiney.
I know.
I do.
They're trying to touch each other's private parts.
My hands are right here, Kevin.
Right here.
Okay.
What should we talk about, people?
Oh, it's 12 minutes in and we got nowhere.
I wish my boo was here to touch on my hiney.
Mm.
Don't. Just kidding. Yes, I'm not
So,
kidding.
you agree that you're my best friend now? So,
Am I supposed to say yes?
are you supposed to say, did we not talk about this?
Sure.
I'm not your best friend?
How are you my best friend? Oh my god, Evan!
I'm leaving this video. Don't everybody know. Everybody ever talk to me.
Why?
Shut up. Okay. Okay. Not that.
That is chemicals, Evan!
Shut up and don't talk to me, nobody.
What did you say?
You're the one who said it. You, woman.
Me?
You're the one who said it. You are. You're the one who said it.
You called him your best friend.
And that's why I'm going.
Oh!
Girls, let's go.
No, he's my guy best friend!
Come on, girls.
He's calling us our girls like we're a group now. I'll be right back, girls.
No. Girls, come on. We're not staying for this freaking nonsense.
Come on, Evan!
And you want to think you want to be cool? Fucking in your life. She's not your friend.
I'm sorry.
Nothing like that.
I'm sorry.
Do you hear me?
You're gonna break his shoulder!
I'll break a bone.
I'm sorry, dang. I apologize.
Hope you guys have fun with your boring ass mukbang. Come on, girls.
Mukbang.
Bro!
Okay. Well, this didn't turn out how we wanted, but
So are we supposed to kiss now?
kids, best friends don't kiss. Alright, y'all. Listen. So, I mean, what's up with y'all? I don't know what to say to them.
Me either. It's not working.
We eating McDonald's for a minute.
It's gone already.
Oh my gosh. I ain't ate McDonald's in hell long.
I don't like fast food at all.
McDonald's used to always have me though.
Guys, can you please come back?
If you gotta pick, don't choose me. Hate a bitch that's choosy. She gotta confuse me. Why you so confusing? This how you gonna do me?
Write a song right now. Go freestyle.
Alright,
About me.
alright. Sierra. You said you'd be there to the end. I heard that you my new best friend. So this gonna be fun again. Ooh, and we just gonna have lots of fun. She tried to shoot you with a gun, but it's okay, we go home now. Was that your hair?
Uh-huh.
On me? Oh no!
Why? Again.
Was a true thief in the night, was a blessing. Had sent me down on this day with a sentence. My heart feel the pain in your mind from you stressing. And it turns in your eyes as a weapon. I'm losing your trust. I put you through more than enough. And I know that you... What you want to talk about? You're not talking.
I don't know what to say. That's why I said I don't know what to talk about in mukbangs.
Got something to say. Sing with me.
I can't sing.
You're telling yourself you can't sing.
No, I can't sing and I'm not gonna sing and make myself look... What? What?
Can we please try this really quickly?
What?
Pause the video. We need to try this right now. Uh-oh.
Was it the thing where you lean back?
Yes.
Me and my sister tried it, doesn't it?
But me and you are more like the same than you two.
Okay, you wanna do it?
Yeah, actually I'm going to try to see if they can do it first. And then if they do it, we got to do it. Okay, girls.
This is a fail.
No, it's not. How's it fail?
Because we're not talking about nothing.
We're not. So what?
So they're just gonna stare at us, just like looking at us, look at ourselves.
So what you want to talk about?
I don't know.
Best friend. This my best friend now, y'all. So look, you know what I'm saying? Can we move this slide in? Is it this slide that's gonna break it?
Yeah.
Oh, it did. Look, I just. Oh, what was you doing?
Guys, can we please do something? This isn't working out.
I like it. We just don't have shit to talk about.
I know.
But it's okay. You're my best friend, right?
What the hell? How the hell did you do that? Do it again.
That was too much work to do for you.
This is not going anywhere.
So you like how my head is going?
What did you just say?
You like how my head is going?
Yeah.
Nice and slim. If you gotta pick, don't choose me. Hate a bitch that's choosy. Shit kinda confuse me. Why you so confusing? This how you gon' do me. Look at how you do me. That's how you lose. I don't like wearing my ass like this. You see how just weird it just looks? Oh, I don't know why I just don't be having my hair. I just look at my face though.
You got a haircut today?
Nah. We ain't got a haircut today, best friend.
That ain't my haircut.
But that ain't my haircut. You're lying! Got something to say. Yeah.
Wait, no. No, this literally happened to me yesterday at 11 o'clock.
No.
Thought it was better this way. Oh, trust me, baby, it's hard.
It's broken.
Tried to give
It
it
literally happened to me
up.
last night.
I tried to, baby, it's tough.
Your mom has it set for that?
I guess it's my fault. I know what's up, baby. We used to. From now on, we make love.
Wi-Fi?
What's the Wi-Fi? Netgear 13?
No.
Netgear?
Net. Okay.
What is it?
I'm sorry. Something maybe later you and I discuss it. Do you feel like I do? Can I know? Cause clearly, baby, it's you that I want.
According to my calculations, if you use the sector of the 22 storage full via my VM2, you actually can see into the hyperwave system, and that can actually calculate the neutralius. What
the hell? You have a butt chin.
Yeah, all superheroes do.
Or is it a scar?
A scar? A scar on my chin? Because my name is Marvin?
What the heck? It goes in.
Oh, that was low-key kinda not straight. She was touching my butt.
Pull it, Cece.
And you gonna listen to her? Pull it, sissy. What's wrong with my chin?
You have hair on it. When did you grow that?
When you eat booty, it just naturally grow in.
Well, have you just recently...
You say when you eat booty?
Because I didn't meet you like that. I don't think so.
I didn't have chin hair when you met me?
I feel like you did.
I think I was 19 when you met me. I was 19 when you met me.
Huh?
I was 19 when you met me.
Yeah, so maybe...
And now I'm 20! You see, singers gotta sing everything. If you're not...
He's kind of like Trey.
Everyone says that.
What's Trey?
Armand and Trey.
Well, shout out to him. He got vocals, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the boy.
But like he always sings all the
listen.
time. You know, I met him and I really was... He was my favoriteest YouTuber in the whole world, Trey. And then I met him and then he didn't have the same energy I felt like. And I was just like,
what do you expect
sad.
him to do? I mean...
I wanted him to be so super funny and so super cool like in his videos. But he was just kind of like...
He don't know you.
I know, but I wanted to know him and I wanted to be I really loved him, like in the YouTuber way. Like he was my favorite. And then like I was
Luna, get out, bro!
I met him, bro. I was like representing that tray, and he was just like.
I would have done the same damn thing.
You would have done the same thing.
Not as you as him.
Oh. Whatever.
Oh.
If you ever watch this video and if you put this part in there, CC, just know I love you, bro.
Oh, okay.